Want to disable sleep mode on Instagram, but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn off sleep mode on Instagram. Now let's get started. To turn off sleep mode on Instagram, open the Instagram app and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Then select Time Management. Tap Sleep Mode. Then tap the switch at the top to turn off sleep mode. If you want to have it automatically turn on at certain times, you can adjust your schedule here to set a start and end time and choose which days you'd like sleep mode to be active. That's all it takes to turn off sleep mode on Instagram. Want to reset your Instagram Explore page? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.